I told you last week that we may see a sharp reversal in US30 precisely. It has gained almost close to 2000 points here. I hope you all profited. Now, what is going to happen next week? We will try to see with the help of candlestick charts and indicators. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon. We will try to see which entries we should make, what levels we should enter, and what can be expected out of US30 next week, and in fact in the month of June. So we'll try to see for the whole month how it is going to behave, how what are the expectations, and accordingly at the end I'll give you the trading levels. So do watch till the end and do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon. Those who are new to the channel, let me share that I share my update on US30 twice a day, one with the US session, one with the Asia cash session, next with the US cash session. So do watch it. Definitely it will help in your day trading decisions. Those who follow Nasdaq 100, Dow Jones, FTSE 100, or Nifty 50, and also commodities including gold, silver, oil, and natural gas can watch those analysis also. Now let's start the day here. Now look at this: a flat bottom and a flat top. Now indicating that there is probable strong bullishness here. However, look at this here. Similarly, we have seen a flat bottom and a flat top, but this is almost the previous candle. That candle we have seen had some tail there. Here it is single candle. To explain in candlestick chart, this is called a Maruboju candle. And what is a Maruboju candle? Then see, this is a very strong Maruboju candle, probably indicating that this is a kind of a reversal of a trend, and we may see it rising for a little while. And how far it can go, let's have a look. See, this is on the weekly charts, and we can see on the weekly charts it is still trading in this channel. So the high is there at around 35,000 or 34,800 levels can be seen here. It can try to rise till there, and as the time passes by, maybe 34,000. If the growth, if the rise is slower a bit or slows down a bit, we may see it restricting in between somewhere, that is 34,000 to 35,000, and from there the drop again can start, which will try to take it towards 30,000. So it is still very much trading in this channel, and only long entry or only reversal trend reversal confirmation is if it breaks 35,500 levels. Once it breaks past 35,500, one can expect that it is entering a reversal where it will achieve higher highs from the previous levels. Now so far, if you look at it, has achieved this zone, and look what I told few months back, maybe 3 to 4 months back, that it is going to achieve at least 30,000 levels. It is precisely achieved 30,500 levels before it tries to see a reversal there. And I told you that, see, this is the zone where is going to be the first support levels. So it is come back to this zone and bounce back nicely. Now I'll be watchful. It is still very much in the downtrend, and how far it could rise we will see. But next week it appears again, probably we may see a bullish move, and hence 33,300 levels. In fact, if it breaks 33,300, you can go long, because it is closed with a flat head there, may try to begin with the flat bottom and start to rise. That is my expectation. Now let's have a look at the monthly candle here. Now look at the monthly candle, almost trying to close at the doji there, and when I say a doji, almost it can try to hit back till towards 32,500 plus levels before it looks forward to the so a correction there. The chart is getting updated. The 33,000 probably it can try to drop, but till the time it remains above 33,000, I'll expect it to continue rising. But there is a probability that it may try to end in a doji, the monthly candle, and then probably a little rise again can be expected. See, a double top can be formed in the month of June, 34,100 200 levels, and then from there the retracement can start again, which will try to take it downwards. So yes, also look at this. See, it is trying to come back in this channel. Previous 3 months higher lows and higher highs we have seen, and it is trying to come back in this channel. Now coming back to this channel, if it continues to trade above 34,500 levels, one can expect that it is going to give you higher or stronger rise, taking it towards 35,800 levels before it looks forward to any further drop. So next month I'll be watchful of this zone at 34,500, and next week I will be watchful of 33,000 levels. Till the time it trades above 33,000, one can remain long and one can expect that it is going to rise strongly. So yes, any long entry can be taken at 32,300 plus level, 33,500 the next target. Then it will try to head directly towards 34,000 and 34,300 400 zone before it looks forward to any further drop. Now this is on the monthly charts. We have seen the weekly and monthly chart. Let's have a look at the daily candle. Now look at the daily candle here. See, stronger rise on the upside, and whenever such formation is there, there is a probability that it may give you another red candle before green candle before it looks forward to a retracement. See the levels at 34,000, very strong resistance is available at 34,000 levels, and that is why I say I'll be watchful of this zone at 34,000, and this is the consolidation zone before it looked forward to the drop at around 34,500 and 35,000, in between this. So first resistance it will get it is around 34,000 level, and I think probably it will give you a couple more green candles taking it towards this zone in between 34,000 to 34,500 levels. Now look at the daily charts once again, and if you look at this, the highs here are far and beyond 34,000. This zone is important. Then see, precisely it may try to come back till here in few candles where it is going to be at around 34,500 to 35,000 levels before it looks forward to retracing again on the downside. So there is a probability that it may try to achieve these levels before it looks forward to a drop in next few days or few weeks, couple of weeks. Maybe we may see a US30 again hitting those zone before it looks forward to any further drop. I think we can expect that next week also we may see it rising again, taking it towards 34,000 levels, and in fact 34,000 200 300 cannot be denied. So almost 1,000 points from now can be expected. Now let's have a look with the help of indicators. What does the indicators are suggesting? Look, here is the support from 20 period moving average. Now US30 is trading above the 20-day moving average, since so it is trading above the average of last 3 weeks, which is lying at around 30 to 200, very strong support. At the same time, now it is looking forward to the resistance there from the 100-day average at around 33,800. So there is a possibility that it will continue to rise till there, and there is a stronger resistance at 34,000 for sure. It will also take it outside the Bollinger Bands. So see, this is the high of the Bollinger Bands at around 33,300, breaking beyond which definitely it will continue to rise and the Bollinger Bands has to widen. So this is one probability, and yes, a single or couple of green candles will definitely try to pull it back again on the downside. Now look at this, the directional movement is again crossing over for a bullish move. So it is after long it is crossing over for a bullish move, and see, this was the little zone where it tried to trade bullish. Probably this time also it may try to trade bullish for a little while. However, look at the stochastic. This is again at the extremes, but there is a possibility that it can give you couple more red candles before it looks forward to any downward move. So the last trading day of this month we may see it rising again. I have only one trading session left. See, the MACD is wide divergent on the daily charts, and yes, see, this was the time it has started the divergence. It is continued for 4 5 6 days, and then it is started to consolidate. Similarly, this is 4 candles, and probably it can try to rise a bit before it looks forward to consolidate and drop. That is what I say. Probably it may try to hit 33,800, 34,000 and 34,300 500 zone before it looks forward to a drop there. That is one probability. The RSI is also extremely looking upwards on the daily charts. It will all the rise will also take it on the overbought level. On the weekly charts, this is the 20 period moving average. See, it is trading above the 100 weeks average, and hence indicative that yes, it is now above trading above the last 2 years moving average for US30, and now the next resistance zone is at 34,000 and 34,800. This zone is very important for US30 to sustain. If it breaks past this zone, definitely a sharper move can be expected. However, I expect that a retracement till there and then the drop can be expected. Directional movement was bearish till now. It is trading parallel still and it is still showing some bearishness there. Rather, it is showing to started to converge here. So on the weekly charts, probably this may start to converge a little. See, the stochastic was oversold and now looking forwards to an upward move, and hence one cannot deny 34,000, 34,500, 34,800 levels in few weeks or few days, maybe couple of weeks it might take for it to reach this zone before it looks over to resume the downward journey. The our MACD is divergent, however, trying to converge from here, and probably a crossover will bring it to the bullish zone again. See, the RSI was oversold. It has hit the bottom there and bounced back nicely. One sharp candle, it is again up again. So this is one probability. And look at the monthly candle here. On the monthly candle, the 20 period moving average at around 32,200 will now be a support, and it is trading above this again, hence entering into a bullish zone again. And if you look at the directional movement on the monthly charts, the candle is red. The directional movement is bearish. It is wide and divergent, indicating that next one too, in fact, if it tries to achieve a high at around 34,000, 34,500 levels, it may try to come back again on the downside. Look at the stochastic. This is almost trading near to the bottom. A reversal or crossover can be seen here. A probable crossover can be expected. But look at the MACD. This is just third red candle and it is still lot much to go. See these previous candles when US30 was trading in a bullish zone, it started to rise, and see the similarly it has just started to drop, and we may see it dropping a little more, and hence a high at around 34,500 levels, 34,800 levels is very good level to go short again on US30 for the month of June. The RSI is also trading flat. Considering this, let me give you the trading levels for the next week and month. And before I give you the levels, if you want to understand the markets in the same fashion, if you want to read the markets in the same fashion, and if you want to learn the art on how to take a right entry at right time, you can join my mentorship batch. And the 11th batch is starting on 6th of June, 15 days, 90 minutes daily, and a lifetime support is what you will get in this. And definitely the strategy start will help you become a professional and a profitable trader. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram ID and channel ID and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Also, you can join my Telegram channel. Reach out to me for more details via Telegram or email. Now look at this. One can go long on US30 at around 33,350 levels, beyond which the next resistance at 33,500, and if it breaks 33,500, it will directly try to land till towards 33,800 and 34,000 levels. Very strong support, very strong resistance at 34,000. Beyond this, it will try to hit 34,200, 34,500. See, the days are so volatile that everything is in hundreds. I will not give you the levels in 1, 2.5, 1, 3, but probably I am trying to keep it in round figures only. Keep 10-20 points apart, but point to note is one can remain long beyond 33,350 levels. Now on the downside, there is a stronger support at 33,000. Only breaking 33,000, I will recommend you to go short. Then the target is 32,800, 32,700 and 32,500. Breaking this 32,200, which is very strong support for US30. Now below this it will try to break towards 31,700, 31,500 and 31,000. So in the month of June, it is probable that it can try to trade from 34,500 to 31,000 levels. This is going to be higher volatile day month again, and probably we may see it trading in this fashion in this zone itself. So take your trade accordingly, and do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon. Do not forget to keep your stop loss at cost always when your trade is in profit, so that you can eliminate the volatility. Also keep rather trade with a trailing stop loss, so that your orders are closed in profit whenever it is. So take your trades accordingly, and yes, reach out to me for details related to any trading or training. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading week ahead. Thank you.